Here I have Samsung Galaxy A41 and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to start by pressing the power key. Let's hold down power, choose power off and tap power off one more time to switch off the device. Then let's prepare the USB-C cable connected to your computer, and if you have this cable, let's start holding volume up and volume down together. So keep holding those two keys, volume up and volume down, and connect your device by using the USB-C cable. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as warning pops up. Here let's press volume up to enter the download mode. Now you can even disconnect your device from your USB-C cable, and as you can see, this is the download mode of your device. So here you can flash your device, you can upgrade your phone, you can read a few information, for example the FRP lock status, OEM lock status and other stuff. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's hold down together power key and volume down for more than 7 seconds. Let me show you. Keep holding both keys to restart the phone. And the device is booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a few seconds. That's it, as you can see. Now you can press power key to switch on the device into a normal mode. Alright, so everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.